Nitumo na ndohiyo iratungirio Joan Nosokon akirumirio ithatu cia kairitu thutha wa kurehera ruriri rwa Ilchamus thobe ya degree gaturu ka uhoro ari irathimo mama kuma kuri athuri a ruriri ru. Ruriri rwa Ilchamus rugikinyia kiharo-ini kia JKIA na njira nene kwamukira muiritu uyu na uria ni wa mumwe gukinya gikiro ta giki mathomo-ini.
We have other girls who have gone up to university, but in legal profession, this is the first girl who has joined the legal profession as a lawyer from that community. Yes. We feel very encouraged. As I told you earlier, we are marginalized. We are I think the smallest community in Kenya, and we really feel proud that and we want to encourage other girls to follow this one.
Kuma ithamo muciari nginya avitha mutafariri kuma ministry ya githomo ni matogeretie wirutiri wa Joan thutha wake kugariurana na morito mothe maria mangetheire mwana wa kairitu na akegwatira ngogane neu.
Let's sacrifice for our kids because this country needs this generation to come and take it over. Remember, every generation must hand over to the next generation. And that's exactly what we are doing. We are empowering the generations below us, our own children, to come and do great things ahead of us.
Giki ario kionereria kinene kuri airitu aria angi ruriri-ini ruru na aria matonaga ta mangigacira muturire-ini.
I would like to encourage the girls of Masai, Samburu, Chams community. It's hard there. The parents who encourage the children to go through circumcision, I'd say that it's not worth it. Take your kids to school, take your children to school, especially the girls, and your rewards will be, you reap what you sow, basically. And I would like to also say that my challenge is to be the best lawyer out here, better than my dad, and probably be the senator of Baringo County one day.
Tugikungwira uhotani wa Joan kuhurana na morito mothe maria makoretwo makomereirio mwana wa kairitu ruriri-ini rwa Ilchamus. Uyu ni undu wa kwirutwo naguo nduriri-ini ciothe na iria itekireire mwana wa kairitu. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.